funny? I broke my back. No, it hurts. I look like Big Daddy Safari in my birthday suit.
This is Kenna's best friend, Justin.
This is Judy.
I had a nap.
Yeah.
For like an hour.
Yeah.
Wake up, we're the 6-1.
Just a big brother.
It's day 347. I want to get on this boat, but I'm stuck here.
Goddamn wind comes, goes.
This man loves boat work so much.
Won't stop, can't stop. Big Daddy Safari and Little Mama Safari.
Let's go! Hi, my name is Kenna, and this is Jay. We live aboard our Choi Lee Offshore 41. Her name is Sitka. Currently, we are sailing and exploring our beautiful home here on Vancouver Island in British Columbia, Canada. I'm new to sailing, but I'm learning and loving it more and more each day. Jay, on the other hand, was born a salty sailor. As he takes me under his wing to get ready to sail around the world, join us on our adventure of falling in love with the beauty of life and the wonders of each other. Welcome to the story of us, and welcome to Sailing Sitka.
It's the magic school bus. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. No, but seriously, Leonard, what's up, my boy? All right, I'm on my lunch break here, but so I've rebed this hatch because it was leaking, and now I'm in the process of doing this one. As you can see, we're convertible. That's right, we're fancy up in here. We got a convertible boat. A second convertible boat is here in our cabin. So now we're using Dow Corning 795 and screws, which is the exact same thing that I used before. And I drilled holes and tapered them and blah blah blah. Same thing I did for these ones in last week's episode. So here they are. They're getting ready for seal. I gotta go back to work right now because my lunch break is rapidly ending here, so I'm gonna not be able to seal them right now, but they're all clean and prepped. Drill the holes in both the Lexan, or sorry, these are acrylic actually, but they're quite thick. You can stand on them. So this is what it looks like, the one that's done. Ow, what's this? I just hit my back. Boom. All right. Ah, beep, beep, beep. Use those beeps, son. And then Kenna's a savage. Kenna loves when you hurt yourself. That's when she laughs the hardest. No support from this crew. You think that's funny? I broke my back. No, it hurts. Kenna's looking in the forward hatch like she's looking at a pet fish.
Justice! We woke her up.
We're going sailing. We're trying to get landlubbers awake to go sailing in the morning.
It's a task.
It's a task. We're out here prepping the boat. So just pull the cover off the aquarium lid and the fish come alive. Let's follow her along in our new hatches. So guys, so you see these are what I've done on these 3 hatches. So I took the old Sitka Flex and 3M double-sided tape, and then I sanded them, put screws on, and then this is what it used to look like. And this is the only hatch I have to redo still. This one was the only one which didn't leak, but we can tell it's gonna leak at some point, so I'm gonna remove it and do the same as I did with these ones. So it's quite a task. It took like what, 3-4 hours per in total. So about 12 hours to do those 3. This one should take about the same. But and then we're gonna use Cetol instead of Epiphane because the varnish just doesn't last out here. Oh, and then
What is that?
Fish.
Oh. Up here.
So nice out.
It is actually not that bad. Are you ready to go to
There's more deck space now because bush tit is in the water.
Oh, what the heck?
Bush tit's there.
Bush tit, what are you doing in there?
Hi people, we're on our way to Sydney Spit. We're introducing our friend Justice here to the ocean life. She had never seen the ocean and now she's sailing on it. So that's
that's a quick adjustment.
I have seen the ocean, but I don't remember it. We don't tell Jay that.
She was too young to remember.
I was too young to remember. So it's my first
So it
time.
doesn't count. This is my first time for your memory.
And I'm buying a sailboat tomorrow.
I have that tendency to convert people to the sailing life. You'll meet somebody soon that I've just converted to the real world, aka the salty life. Yeah, can't beat this method of transport.
Yeah.
See, it's quiet. You're using the wind to power you through. We only had to use the engine for 8 minutes today. Hopefully it stays that way all the way to our destination. In like 4 or 5 hours we'll get there.
Yay.
Yay! Now I'm making coffee with Leonard, the bilge rat.
No.
He's a bilge mouse, but I'm the bilge rat. We're the cooks on board.
Oh my god.
That's
Every time.
Hi, this is Kenna's best friend, Justice.
This is Judy, aka Judy Booty, aka JJ Colette, Jube, J, any one of those.
Yeah, anyone. Or if you want to make up your own, that's okay too.
Justice is understanding the power of tides and currents.
I don't know, I feel like we're like going backwards.
We're going forward, but at 1.7, 2 knots. We're making 2 knots with the sail and the engine. Yeah, the currents, we're at like max average.
2 hours ago. Discovery. I think I'm losing my mind. We out here in the wild. Captain Kenna on TT. Oh, she's getting a little wild. Get it, Kenna. Okay, Justice here. Jay just made us all breakfast. It was really great, and now the sun's coming out, and the ocean looks more blue, and the sky's pretty, and the vibes are great. What you doing, Kenna?
Sail down because there's no wind.
Wow.
What's the frustration of today, Captain?
Goddamn wind comes, goes. Did a 180 switch on us, but that's typical around here. So now we got the iron sail out, aka the diesel engine. Because that went from, we had like good wind earlier, but now it's like nothing. And then it switched 180 on us and it's 3 knots, so like we had the main, but it's coming from behind a bit. We could sail, but we'd be going like 0.5 of a knot, so not worth it right now. Can't wait to go offshore so we can actually sail. I hate coastal sailing in the summer. No wind.
It's true. It's frustrating. Frustration!
Hey guys.
But what do
Welcome
you
to my
think?
ship.
Oh.
I think that the wind is awesome. I don't know what these guys are talking about. And I'm probably gonna go for a swim soon. Heard the water's really warm, so I'm really looking forward to that. And then pretty sure over there is California. Well, the sun's coming back out,
The sun will come out
and
tomorrow.
honestly,
Bet your bottom dollar
okay, I'm not trying.
tomorrow.
I'm just trying to talk here, but it's fine.
It's
I mean,
Judy Booty's vlog time.
this
Go.
is my vlog time. It's day 347, being lost at sea. and I don't know if we're ever gonna find home. There's literally nothing around us. That's all ocean. I'm terrified. But as long as I got my pals with me, we can get through anything. I'm sure we'll find home soon.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
You got what I need. But you say he's just a friend. You say he's just a friend. Oh baby, you. This is a fucking sailing channel, it ain't much music.
Hey guys, how you doing down there? Welcome to Sailing Sitka! Motherfucker!
So this man loves boat work so much that at anchor he decides to varnish the hatches of the sea doll.
We gotta do it.
Won't stop, can't stop.
Won't stop, can't stop. Can't stop.
Good. That looks really good, actually.
Yeah, it's good.
Ooh, ooh, that looks so good.
Yeah, I used to use only Epiphane varnish everywhere on the boat, but now I'm gonna stick to Epiphane for just the cockpit and the interior, but everything that's always out in the sun and the salt is gonna get Cetal, because the look's actually not bad at all. We're using this Cetal natural teak, and obviously it's not as pretty as Epiphane, but to be fair, I kind of like the look a lot.
I like it.
Yeah.
It makes it a pretty color.
Yeah, and it's not like, it matches with our mast now, so that's good. And yeah, we'll do the handrails next because they're due too.
Made it to our anchorage, you guys. There's a lousy sail here. We had like literally no wind, so we motored pretty much the whole time, but we still made it. So now we're about to go to the beach after we finish up this Cetal, and yeah, enjoy our night. She found this cool one. Let's see.
Yes, it is.
No, it's a crab leg.
I know this one. That was the cousins.
I'll show you our awesome high fuel dinghy. What's cool about it is it has wheels at the back here so that we can just drag it right on up to the beach. So works wonderful. Jay and I can lift it. Well, Jay lifts it pretty much, but I guide it. Teamwork.
Young cruisers, cheers!
god. I didn't even get a chance to film it yet, you coconut.
I don't want to do this,
Advisory.
guys. I'm scared.
You're here, you cougar.
I am actually.
Goes in the northern latitudes of Canada.
It's so cool.
We're actually in the southern latitudes of Canada, if you guys are wondering. Just trying to make sure you guys are following.
Pretty.
What segment is this today? Daddy Safari? Oh, you really look like Big Daddy Safari today.
Today I look like Big Daddy Safari every day. I look like Big Daddy Safari in my birthday suit. Yeah, that's a wrap.
Jesus.
I'm sharpening my tusks in the wild.
Ow!
There aren't no trees at sea.
Dinner on the hook.
A little
Listening to
fondue.
Neil Young.
Some little fondue, different from our gyozas, but still one of our favorite meals. Life is pretty good. Show your seashell. Golden hour.
This is literally my favorite time of the day. That and sunrises. But sunsets at sea, we got about an hour and a half to go. It's my favorite moment. It's nice.
You watch films, read novels, and hear stories about people living adventurous, unapologetic, and courageous lives, doing anything it takes and failing again until they achieve something great. Something so great, in fact, it has people question the true capability and limitations of the human species. It leaves you thinking, I could never do something that crazy. Well, that's where the average person is wrong. Your mind has way more power than you give it credit. You can do that crazy thing, you just think that you can't. The brain-sucking monsters, also known as the what-ifs, chime in the second you consider doing something even remotely out of your comfort zone. They are so obnoxious and loud that they talk over any sort of pros that this crazy idea has. At least that's what happens in my brain. When I was first asked to sail offshore, I did the whole, I can't do that and that's crazy sort of spiel, shortly leading into the self-intrusive thoughts, followed by those mangy what-ifs. This process repeated itself for about 5 months, and it will keep on a continuous loop if you give it the power to. Imagine if we thought the opposite, everything this crazy notion could bring us. What if everything went right? Now that's the thought that has tremendous power. Good morning, everyone. We just pulled up the anchor and just pulled up our mainsail there. And yeah, we are off. It was just a short little one-night anchorage. We just wanted to show my best friend what it's like to live life on the hook. And she loved it. She loved every minute of it. It's like one of the best sleeps she's ever had. Which I agree, I always sleep so well at anchorage. It's just such a soothing lullaby kind of motion at anchorage. So it's just, yeah, it's lovely. And no sound of the fenders rubbing on the docks, which is fantastic. Yeah, so we're off. It's going to be probably about a 4 or 5 hour sail back. Yeah, there's only 7 knots of wind right now, so not too much. It's actually as flat as it can be, but at least the sun is shining. Get you on the flip side.
That's my famous recipe. Rice crackers, avocado, and then I don't have this good of everything bagel seasoning, but Kenna
finally sailing. We got 9 knots of apparent wind, but we're making, you know, between 4 and 6 knots depending. Sometimes we get a little gust, but we're in no rush because low tide's in an hour and a half, so we have to kind of slow ourselves down. So like most times when you round Discovery Island, which is right there, you get some wind. So it's headwinds, but we're using them, and it's a lot better than here in the goddamn Iron Jenny, you know. So that's what happens if you fall asleep on Sitka. It's gonna be good, good, good.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Sitka.
Subscribe and make sure to smash that like button. We want you to smash that like button so hard your goddamn laptop makes it down all the way down under, you know? Under by the sea, by the seashell. All right.
The seashell by seashore.
We'll see you next Sunday. Until then, B5. Bingo, baby. There's some intruders on my boat. I need help. Send help.
Okay.
Kenna pulled a fast one on me and didn't screw the lid. Pull the coconut move on us.
Is it still good?
Yeah.